Hello everyone, since the last videos in regards to this topic on using Go playing program bot to play online Go at PlayOK website, I've changed the script, both the one to play with the GnuGo engine and with Apache, to be capable of playing at onlinego.com, also known as OGS, Online Go server. So essentially, the difference with this new two scripts is the following. I'll now show you the OGS and GnuGo. So it's different in terms of the constants. So the cell size is different. The match size of the image to match the last move made on board is also being altered to 22 pixels. So it has a little bit different sample images to work with for the purpose of image recognition. So when the screenshot is being taken, that image is used. And also the board top coordinate as well as the board left coordinate has been changed accordingly to the particular layout of the screenshot that I would have on OGS server in a Chrome web browser on my Linux Mint system, assuming the current screen resolution. Okay, again, like this should work on other platforms as well, since the internal libraries being used here are all cross-platform, but I've never tested this with other operating systems. So, yeah, essentially should work, but yeah, didn't test this. Okay, so I just quit from here, and let's probably kickstart with calibrations. If I do Python 3 and OGS and GnuGo, we're supposed to be playing with GnuGo first, so it starts the calibration mode here, and I just go to games, okay, and I'll just pick up whatever game. And now to make the mouse pointer actually following the very last move made on board, I need to go to the Zen mode. And suddenly you see like mouse pointer is now following the last move that has been done on both. So I'm not touching the touchpad. Even if I did, it's not possible to instantly move the cursor like the PyAutoGUI library does. So once we have this behavior, we are sure that the internal board representation of the engine, no matter whether this is going to be GnuGo or Apache, is perfectly synchronized with the board position that is taken from the screenshot. Okay, yeah, but if you just change the coordinates according to your particular resolution and board placement for GnuGo, you still need to do exactly the same thing for Apache if you want to play with Apache. But yeah, hopefully that is self-explanatory. So we can escape from here now, and I just go to find the game and want to create a new game. I will be playing an unrated game, so rank is not checked there because this is the engine play, and I don't really want to harm anyone's rating with the program. So cheating is a bad thing. The reason why I'm doing this is just to learn from how human players are actually beating computer programs or get beaten by computer programs. GnuGo is around of the strength of the fifth queue, so it's not really that strong. And again, depending on the opponent, if the opponent is going to be like below the 5Q, like 6Q or maybe less, most likely GnuGo is supposed to win. Otherwise, it most likely would lose. So we'll play a few games. Let's kickstart with playing with the black pieces. And here, just to be able to run script instantly, I say Python 3 OGS GnuGo Py, and I want to play with black. Okay, and I'm ready to hit enter here. So yeah, let's create the challenge. Okay, so once it gets accepted, so here is the challenge. 19 by 19, 30 seconds per move. Custom call me 5.5 because that's the exact value that is being set up within the settings of the engine. You can use different value for a commie, but you will also need to change the value for the commie within the script to make sure that engine actually evaluates properly the position, because it might do a bad favor when the economy doesn't match the actual value.
Game started.
Okay, plane versus 11q, perfect. And I'm going to the Zen mode, and I start the engine. So yeah, plane versus 11th Q guy. So GnuGo should easily beat this guy. Well, if ever in theory, if he's not cheating, if he's a real 11th Q. So let's have a look. Well, so far, yeah, it doesn't feel like any standard Josekis. Okay, so 11q player who plays white is trying to grab too much of territory, is being too greedy, just pointlessly throws the stones to the board without much of a sense. Yeah, and here GnuGo plays just perfectly well, secures territory on the bottom side, on the top right corner. Yeah, the game goes really fast, although the time control is 30 seconds per move. Yeah, but white doesn't really seem to be making any territory so far. Although, according to the engine evaluation, yeah, black is plus 24. Okay. All right. Yeah, the game is going a little bit too fast, but that's quite natural for Q players, especially double-digit Q players, to play without thinking much. Just throwing the stones in. Okay, invasion at 3-3. Is GnuGo going to be capable of creating a living group there? Yeah, I'm really wondering. It would be interesting if it actually does. Well, so far, it seems like he just gave away those 3 stones. I don't see any particular reason for doing that, but yeah, for some reason. Okay, so black is starting to create a huge moya on the bottom of the board, and I really enjoy that. So black plus 42 according to engine evaluation. Yeah. The pleasing woman's voice would tell me black wins if GnuGo does so indeed. Yeah, let's have a look. Okay, 3 stones. 3 white stones seems to be dead now. Okay. Yeah, white is probably going to create a living group in the center. Probably there should be enough space to create 2 eyes, but it's really inefficient in terms of territory. So this is really expected because such a low rated Q player, well, it's definitely weaker than GnuGo. So you can beat GnuGo in 2 cases. So first, if you are much better strategically, so if you have a deeper understanding of the position, if you're more flexible, if you more like having a grip on the entire board rather than just parts of the board. And alternatively, if you are really good tactically, especially when it comes to killing big groups all over the board, in this case, you may outperform GnuGo because he's good at small calculations like life and death problems somewhere in the corner or in the side of the board. But when it comes to yeah, white it seems to be really over concentrated here. Really over concentrated. Yeah, but white's trying to capture. Well, this 2 stones should be definitely dead. I cannot see any way to for them to invest in another stone. Yeah, but this feels like hopeless to me. Okay, yeah. Unfortunately, the game is going a little bit too fast. But again, yeah, that's just the downside of the lower rated players just playing too fast. Although GnuGo is playing quite fast as well. Yeah, so plus 30. Black is plus 30, plus 38. Crushingly leads in the game. Well, I think now it's already seen quite clearly that the position definitely favors black. Yeah. Yeah, it's really cool. Fun to watch. Yeah. Yeah, we're coming to the endgame stage. Okay. Yeah, white is extremely inefficient in this case. So he only has the top left corner and this weird thing in the center and a small living group on the right. Yeah. So it doesn't take that much really. The rest is taken by black. The rest is occupied entirely by black. And I can see no way to turn this to white's favor. There is simply no place left on board for white to change anything in the game. Okay. Yeah, so white is just trying to make its territory a bit more clear, but it's not enough. Absolutely not enough. Yeah, white should resign this game already. Yeah, probably as a double digit Q player, he just doesn't realize that he's doing so badly now. Probably just simply doesn't realize that. Yeah. Also, with such a fast play, you definitely have no time to actually calculate the, at least even like generally to calculate the score, or at least who is better. I believe white player just throws the stones away without pretty much thinking of what's going to happen. Yeah, but I'm not really not better than him, so yeah. Not judging in terms of like he's playing versus a 5Q engine, and for 11Q player, it's quite natural thing to lose to the 5Q engine, which actually proves that what they state in the documentation of the GnuGo seems to be the ultimate truth, because it really feels like the level of the 5th Q. What do you guys think? Does GnuGo play at the level of the 5th Q as it's stated in the documentation? I think it definitely does. I think it absolutely does. Okay, so is Black Group now being in a danger? Well, that's interesting. Hold on a sec. Something went wrong with my script. Some reason. Yeah, probably just passes.
10,
Yeah.
9, 8, 7,
I don't
6,
even know what to do
5,
here.
4, 3.
Okay, I just have to keep. Oh, probably we just capture this now, which is not. Yeah, I should have played here. I should have played here, really. Definitely, yeah. I will lose this group now. This would still probably result in a win, yeah, but now I'm forced to play. Oh, I don't want to play. I don't really want to play. Yeah, but hold on a sec. This move also makes sense, because if white plays here, then I just capture.
You have
him.
won.
Yeah, he resigned. Yeah, so I had to make one more move because he didn't actually pass. Yeah, so I believe that GnuGo simply passed because he doesn't see any other reasonable moves to be made on board, hence like just passes. Yeah, with a lower rated players, it might do a bad trick, because I may not see the immediate win, but Yeah. Well, this move is quite cool because yeah, if it plays here, I just capture here, and if it plays here, I capture here. So this group is still alive, although it seems like it might actually be captured. Yeah, I thought maybe I could have played here, so that yeah, again, this move would probably also work. So it tries to surround things. I just put the stone here and take the entire thing. Yeah, well played, GnuGo. Let's have a look. Is there anything in the chat? Sage E. Yeah, just tell him good game, thanks. Okay, so I just leave from here. Go into the play mode. Okay, so now let's do the same, but this time I want to play with white stones. And again, it really depends on the opponent. If I will have the like 5Q rated opponent with white pieces, with white stones, sorry, might not be having that many chances. Not me, but GnuGo. But anyway, so here I would like to start playing with white. So I will start the script as soon as the challenge would get accepted. So yeah, let's create the challenge with white for now.
Game started.
Okay, and go into the Zen mode and start the engine, and hopefully, yes, it generates the move. Oh, I forgot to see what's the rating of the guy. Oh, you guys probably has seen this, or at the very least you can pause the video and drop back a little bit to see what's the rating, but I have no idea what's the rating of the opponent. So yeah, this is really interesting. So I have no idea how the game is going to end. Well, so far we have classical Joseki at the top right corner. Yeah, corner enclosure in the top left one. So white is heavily developing the upper side. Yeah, well, this invasion seems a little bit strange on f4. Well, I don't understand moves like r3 with this 3-3 point, like just to make sure that this corner belongs to white. Well, yeah, so again, GnuGo is playing white. The score is white plus 32. So far, Engine thinks he's leading, so he's much better. Yeah, well then, yeah, I'm really intrigued to see what's the rating of the opponent, what's the Q strength of him. Yeah, well, doesn't seem that strong so far, really. Yeah, doesn't seem that strong. Okay. Yeah, black is doing some sort of strange thing. Yeah. Okay. I'm a little bit concerned about the group with f4 and h3 for whites because it might get surrounded eventually, and if it eventually gets surrounded and captured, then black would have quite a solid territory in the corner. Okay, so creating an I shape. But anyway, this group is only capable of running towards the center. Well, even this is not enough to form an eye. Not even talking about two eyes. Okay. So the right side is now safe. Well, this move, D18, is absolute like pointless move. No one invades like that, so that's just suicide move to me. Looks like a suicide move to me. Why black plays that? Not sure. Okay, maybe I'm playing the same guy. Yeah, I shouldn't be that much of in a hurry. I should have just, yeah, see what is his rating. Well, here what is interesting is to see how GnuGo calculates the proper way of killing black stones on top left corner. Yeah, so the particular order of moves and yeah, so it's really precise when it comes to the particular calculations because using the alphabet search. And this, you see, like the upper bound and the lower bound for that goes after the evaluation. What it means, so these are I'm not 100% sure, but as a chess programmer who's been doing lots of chess engines and tutorials on that point, I would say that those are the alpha and beta bounds that regards to the alpha beta search. Yeah, by this time, I'm not quite sure what has just happened, but yeah, there was black slightly better. Okay, now white is better again, but not as crushingly as earlier. Well, I'm really concerned about this group that he's just invested another stone into. Yeah, if that group would live, sorry, if that group would live, that would hopefully decide the game. Okay, those 3 stones on top left are now officially dead. Okay. So next move is going to be monkey jump, I believe, because GnuGo loves monkey jumps to destroy opponent's territory. Well, this move is a bit strange to lose its own. It doesn't lower terry because it would get captured on R19. Okay, another pointless move by black. Oh, it just gets captured. What are you doing? Oh, no way! Why did you? No way! Black would just capture everything. Why did you do this? I don't understand. Why? He should have captured immediately. Or was there a tactical drawback? Whoa, that's so strange. Whoa. Well, now the group is. Well, it's not. Yeah, by the way, it's not yet live. I would say it has like 1.5 eyes because the left eye on top, right, is not an eye yet. You'd need to put a stone to L19 to make sure that's the eye. But yeah, if black puts the stone there, that white just captures. So yeah, okay. So black plus 3.8. So again, black is slightly better. This is interesting. So the game is getting close now. Yeah, I'm really starting being concerned about the white group on bottom because now at this point it doesn't seem like it's possible for white to create 2 eyes there, and the only way is to connect to either the right side of the board to the group, but black would never allow that to happen, or to the left spot. And yeah, if this group dies, oh my god, that is going to be an absolute disaster. Yeah. So yeah, black plus 33. Yeah. So essentially, GnuGo already understands that his group is dead. Nope. Well, the score is changing so fast. I don't quite understand. Well, to my eyes, the white group on the left bottom is like absolutely dead. I cannot see the way to save it, actually. Okay, so it's about to create 1 eye now. He's about to create 1 eye. But is this really... Well, just closes the cut. Yeah. So this is not going anywhere. This is not going anywhere. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's time to resign, to be very honest, because black is taking just everything here now. Just taking everything. Well, unless some tactical inaccuracy by the human player. And yeah, in that case, maybe. Yeah, black plus 64. So this means that GnuGo has dropped the idea to protect that group. Yeah, this is loss. This is definitely a loss. So yeah, I just may resign here already. Yeah, GnuGo is absolutely smashed here. Completely smashed. Absolutely smashed. Okay. Well, this doesn't help much, really. This doesn't really help much. Yeah, only some weird tactical mistake can save white from losing. So if there would be some miracle that would allow the white group on the left bottom side of the board to suddenly become alive, in that case, white would win. But otherwise, yeah, I don't see any Yeah, should be absolutely game over for white for now. Yeah, I'm really intrigued to see the rating of the black player. I'm really intrigued to see the rating of the black player. Oh my god, what are you doing, GnuGo? You're still investing stones into the dead group. Oh, but the score has changed. Oh, again, plus 12. Now it's black plus 62. Oh my god. No way. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hold on a sec. If black is not careful, then white can grab this group on the bottom right corner. Q7 and that group. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Interestingly. Yeah, I believe it all depends on the human factor now. So only horrible blunders by the human player may result in white's win. But I don't really believe that is possible any longer. Yeah, so now the black group is totally safe. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, just capture, that's it. Just capture. That was a bit strange move by black. Okay, yeah. Yeah, why I lost so many stones for absolutely no reason. Yeah. Horrible, horrible, horrible loss. Okay. Yeah, it's the end game, but yeah, it doesn't really change pretty much anything from now on. Yeah, just black just yeah, white just should resign this game already. White just should resign the game. Yeah. Black did extremely well in the game. Yeah. I'm really wondering what's the rating of black. What's the Q rank? Oh, come on. Okay, black should close at H11. Well, even white plays. Okay, now black should plays at H. No way! Oh my god, no! Why? Why didn't black close that? Oh my god, what has just happened? White is no longer dead. Oh my god. What? How? Why didn't you play at H11? Why did you allow white to survive that group? Is that a handicap or something? Oh my god, is that a handicap? Black now only plus 3.0. What a dramatic game! What a dramatic game! Okay, now threatening to capture it. Oh my god, he captures even more! Oh no! White now wins the game due to the tactical blunders of black. Oh my god, I can't believe my eyes. What a game! No way! No way! Oh! Black player, how could you lose that horribly? I don't know. I can explain this only like he just thought he's playing a noob and try to give him a chance, like a handicap to. I don't know. I have no other explanation to this. Black was totally dominating the entire game. this white group that is now being surrounded, it should have like be dead. But oh my god. And those death stones on top, you just look at those death stones on top. All stones on top are dead now. All those stops on top left corner are now dead. Because there is only one eye there. And that's it. They all are now dead. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. No way. No way. Yeah, like if since yeah, and I also pass here.
Remove the dead stones.
And yeah, so these are the dead stones. Accept the dead stones.
You have won.
Yeah, by 40 points and 5. Yeah, and exactly this score by. Okay, I just want to see a second queue. Yo, no way. Second queue. I just want to ask him, why did you let the white group leave? You were totally winning. Oh my god. This is so strange. Why? So strange. How did that happen? Well, yeah, maybe he would answer later. Yeah, for now, yeah, I'll probably just trying to play another game. Yeah, guys, well, this game was just absolutely amazing. Just have a look at the eventual position. Yeah, black were totally surrounded. And if black played here at h11, then all this would become black's territory, and it would crushingly win after. Okay, probably the last day for this video. So I would like to play with black again this time. Right, so I want to create one more game here. Now let's play with black and create challenge. Maybe this guy would challenge me again. Yeah, second queue. When I've been testing GnuGo on OGS versus Q players, even the 4Q player has managed to beat the engine in such a brutal way. But this guy was second queue. Oh, that was so strange. Yeah, probably he was distracted, or I don't know. Like even double-digit Q player would see that. Totally
Game
dead group.
started.
Okay, so third queue, Zen mode, and play with black. And here we go. So third queue. So this guy is also strong. It's not the second queue, but yeah, he is quite a strong player. So second queue on OGS is around first down on Fox. That's the relative comparison between ratings. Yeah, so I expect white should win because just should be stronger than the engine. Unless some weird thing will happen. Yeah. Unless some weird thing would happen, like, no, just don't lose on time. Please, don't lose on time. No. Don't lose on time. What are you doing? Okay. All right. I think he plays G3 now because that card seems like relevant to me. Or maybe H3. No, maybe G3. I don't know. Okay, what's the score? Black plus 13. Well, this early score doesn't mean pretty much anything so far. Unlikely patchy, the stronger engine that is around like first to second, and that I've been demonstrating how it's playing, how it plays on playok.com, the previous video, which doesn't have neither Fuseki nor Joseki databases. GnuGo actually has both Fuseki database and the Joseki database. So in the opening stage, in the early openings, it's like playing. Like it might be treated as an equivalent of the opening book for chess. If we are talking about chess, yeah, I'm really concerned. So this guy really takes too long to think on his moves. Well, third Q. Well, that's okay, but it's only like 30 seconds once. If he exceeds the time, he would just lose on time. I don't really want this to happen because losing on time, like, no, I don't want him to lose on time. Yeah, because I really want to see the game. Because it would be interesting. So yeah, GnuGo definitely has to lose against this guy. Yeah, by the way, already the score is starting to change to the favor of whites. Now it's white plus 2.6. Okay. Um, yeah. Black feels really over concentrated on top right corner. Just too many stones for no reason. Black. No, white. I say white. I remember. So black is too over concentrated on top right corner, while white is doing fantastically well. You just look at the potential moyo that white is building on top. Okay, so black is making an attempt to break into that moyo, to break through. Yeah. But again, this black group with the stone, like this last move f11 and those three stones below, it doesn't have no, it has no eyes at the moment, so it would need to run towards the center or towards the probably the right side of the board, uh, and that would be like waste of time because yeah, if black would try to invade on top, I don't think that would work. I don't really think it just plays f14 now. Yeah, and that's it. Okay. Yeah, this is not dangerous either. So maybe just b4 or maybe b5. No, b5. I think not. Maybe b4 just to secure the corner. For otherwise, GnuGo. Oh, b5. He wants to fight. b5. Okay. Well, but on the other hand, black is building his own moyo on the bottom right corner, which is also, I don't know, to my noob's eyes, quite impossible to invade into. So the game is starting being quite balanced now. Quite a balanced game so far. Interesting. Yes, really interesting. Yeah, because I don't know. I remember yesterday's game when I've been testing the script and I've seen like the fuck you guy has smashed GnuGo in such a brutal way that it's hard to imagine anything more violent than that. It just like literally, I don't know, just crashed through everything, just so hardly beating GnuGo. It has been he has beaten GnuGo so hardly. Okay, so what is this invasion? So is it going to connect to the upper group? Because probably he does. Okay, according to engine, yeah, black is slightly better now after this move, plus 11. So GnuGo truly believes he can do, he can win this game. Let's see. Let's see if that's the truth. Okay, now I don't know what GnuGo is thinking about, but the group with the f8 and all the stones looks like getting into a big danger from now on. Seems like it's getting into trouble because if it gets around it, and if unlike with the previous player, this one would show no mercy to like giving a try to like connect the group with the existing one, which is not likely to happen, I believe. Yeah, in that case, the black group, which GnuGo is currently developing, feels like in danger. Potentially might turn into living group. I believe if black plays d10 maybe, and more moves, maybe he would then have a chance to sort of live in a center. Probably GnuGo would be trying to reduce white's territory on top by pushing like one space jumps from G11 and upwards to G13 and so on. I think that would be the strategy. And before that, he needs to make sure here that he would secure the territory in the top right corner, on the bottom right corner. I'm sorry. Okay, now okay, so that's the safety move. So if it doesn't manage to create a living group, it's very realistic would try to connect to the existing one on bottom. Yeah, that makes sense. I would have done the same thing. Uh, yeah. The reason why I like GnuGo so much, even though it's not as strong as Patchy, is because I can understand what GnuGo is trying to achieve with my noobs, from my noobs point of view. Yeah, so like I can justify those moves made by GnuGo because I would have be thinking sort of a similar way to if I faced the same issue. Like you remember, I've been predicting that GnuGo is supposed to be reducing white's territory by one space or maybe two space jump, which has just happened by playing on K14. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, still the group is not safe yet. So if white plays say K, yeah, or this move, and that's it. So the upper group has been cut off, and now like E7, and yeah, it's been totally cut off. Yeah, just E7, and the black group is going to be in trouble. No way. Why are you doing this? I was probably trying to reduce the territory. Okay, K7 maybe? Doesn't seem to make sense because it's already connected. I don't know. I don't know, K7 or E7 to prevent the weak group being connected to the relatively stronger group on bottom. I know as a white player, I would have played K7 or E7 and probably lose this game, but yeah. Black plus 17, so GnuGo is very optimistic in its evaluation. Okay. Yeah, GnuGo is extremely optimistic now. If it beats the 3 cube player, I would really get surprised, to say the least. I would really, really get surprised. Yeah, it would be fun to watch if any commentaries below this video would appear from those players participating in the games. Yeah, that would be interesting to know their thoughts about the game they've played. Okay, black plus 0.5. I don't quite understand what has changed so far on the board. Why black now feels like. Oh, here is the idea behind the move c5. So if white plays d5, yeah, then. Oh, why didn't black play d5 to create 100% living group? It's a little bit strange. Because if white plays d5 now, then those moves would be quite pointless. Well, still probably already this group like g11 and the guys around is probably good enough for make two eyes. It can barely make two eyes, I believe now. The one would be on the board edge and another somewhere in the center. So yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, just I don't believe that, like GnuGo would win all the three games. It should have lost to at least somebody, especially the single digit Q players like above fifth Q. Definitely. Okay, now black plus 1.6. Yeah, so according to engine, it's getting equal now. Oh, look what white is doing. Look what white is doing. White is reducing black's territory in such a brutal way. Whoa, splitting the lower group and the one on the right. And also, oh my goodness, can you see this, guys? That the group on the lower side of the board may potentially get into trouble. Oh my god, GnuGo gives up 3 stones. Whoa, he gives up 3 stones. White plus 10 now. Yeah, I think this is the beginning of the end here. Yeah, because I'm really concerned in regards to the. Oh, okay. Yeah, still the group like F4, F3, and those guys might be in danger in terms of not having an option to create two eyes, I believe, if they are not careful, if they would not be able to connect to the upper group. Yeah, so, yeah, suddenly, white starts dominating the entire board. Yeah, this infiltration down below looks so successful. Yeah, this counteroffensive is really successful. Amazing play by white. Yeah, that's what I consider to be like the the true level of play. So yeah, like white is strategically just have a better understanding of the position. So he dominates the engine with his human experience. It might be totally different when the human player like plays the patchy engine. That might be totally different. But for now, yeah, I think now the lower group is safe because it will get connected to the uh, left group anyway, either at e7 or at c6, and that should be fairly enough. So if white plays c6, which doesn't seem to make sense, then black would play c7. I'm not sure whether b7 by white did prevent from going to c6, because after maybe c7 would follow. Yeah, but after b8, those two stones are about to be trapped, probably. So yeah, it's hard to say. Yeah, what I've just mentioned. So c7, so there is no escape from the c6 point. On the other hand, even if white plays at c6, then d7, yeah, and it's going to be dead. Yeah, this is interesting. I think d7, black wants to play d7 next. Next, playing d7. Not sure. Not exactly sure. What about the evaluation? Again, about equal. Yeah, this game is so unexpected. So unexpected so far. I don't know, guys. I cannot express enough how excited I am watching this type of games, like human versus computer. Yeah, because it feels like it has a highly didactic value to me. I feel like I learn a lot as a human player by watching games like this, because the human experience of the white player shows the limits of the handcrafted evaluation of the GnuGo. Um, it's really not so when human player plays the neural network power engine, because there it's like two humans essentially, because neural networks are they do manage to achieve a really like human like style of play. Monkey jump. The favorite move of Gene Hugo is a monkey jump. Yeah, it gives plus 19.5 immediately after the move. Yeah, Gene Hugo loves playing monkey jumps. It's like probably the favorite move, the most favorite move ever for Black, well, for Gene Hugo to play monkey jump. Amazing, yeah. Monkey jumps rule the world. So cool. Yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm so thrilled. Okay, just ignores. Just ignores. Yeah, probably those two stones are safe. I know. They probably are safe. Okay, something went wrong with printing the board within the script. Hopefully gets fixed by the next move. White player, please don't lose on time. Please. Please don't lose on time. I'm begging you. Don't lose on time. No, 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 no. Don't lose on time. No! Oh, thank God. Oh, actually, yeah, it turns out those two black stones were not safe at all. Uh, it seems like this is what you can do against the monkey jump, which I didn't quite know. Interesting. Black plus 6.6. GnuGo is still optimistic in regards to its own position. Still quite optimistic. But I am personally concerned about the group where he just invested a stone, K13. Because if until there is no stone at K7, which makes the group truly safe, I don't even know. It might be. Oh no, it's totally fine because these stones like B7, C7, and D6 are dead. So yeah, it's definitely yeah. So I may not be concerned about this anymore. Yeah, so it's fairly enough to live. Okay, Terry. Whoa, whoa. Okay, H8, 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 J7, and a K7. Is that the sequence? J7, or white just does something more important? Okay, he gives the. Whoa! He gives. Why did GnuGo give up 3 stones? Maybe for the sake of like going deeper into white's territory like this. Whoa! 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 This feels like a powerful reduction. Whoa! Double Atari. Oh, no way. No way. Yeah. Yeah, it seems like the G13 stone is dead anyway. Even if it extends, then just H14 and it's dead. Yeah. Yeah, but hold on a second. I need to make sure that, yeah, this group gets connected to the bottom because, yeah, otherwise it would just simply die. So it's crucial to connect it. F9 with whites is not dangerous because of E9. But hold on a sec. No. F9, E9, and then G9. and black is in trouble. So how to respond to f9? Maybe... No, it doesn't play that. Yeah, I'm a bit concerned how to respond to f9 with white. Say play. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how the masters would resolve this. Okay, yeah, should have captured. Okay, great. Okay, now he doesn't yet have two eyes, but yeah, if it plays to e11, it would have two eyes. Or even no, even like just h11 is also, yeah, probably good enough. Yeah, so I might not be concerned with f9 anymore because yeah, now it's like standalone group. Probably that's the standalone group. But white plus 3.7, white plus 3.8. Yeah, GnuGo probably missed something. Okay. White plus 0.5. Interesting. I bet that the white player cannot calculate that precisely and that fast. So I think he doesn't know who is better at this moment. So he just keeps playing. Okay, white plus 8.2. Not good. Not good. Anyway, a very close game. And if white manages to win this game, that would be fair. That would be really, really fair. Black plus 0.3. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure why black gives away so much territory. Feels a little bit strange. Okay, very less to living corner now. Two eyes. White plus 6 points. Now the order of moves might be really crucial here. Because if one considers the wrong order of moves, this might turn the game result. Whoa, it doesn't react to this. Q12. It didn't react to Q12. It's a bit strange. I didn't understand the idea behind the move. The idea behind the move A9 to capture. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry for such a noob's commentary. Yeah, A9 obviously aim to capture it. B10 after. So yeah, totally makes sense. All right. Okay. Realist didn't give up this. What about the group R11 and the guys? They are in danger now, so next move black may play to S10, capturing stones, like making the stones R9, R10, and S11 be dead. Yeah, but white does not allow that. Or is he? White should capture. White should capture the. Whoa, 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 whoa! Can you see what black is doing? If black manages to play to O13, no, he doesn't. But in that case, he could have captured a hell of white stones. Yeah. So yeah, the group R11, R12, and the guys has 1, 2, 3 liberties. Okay, and the white group has 1, 2, 3 liberties as well. So whoever starts the capturing race first should win. So I think if White would have played like something like S13. Yeah, probably they see some variations that I don't see, but most likely that's most likely to be the case. White plus 5.1. So still white is slightly better according to engine. And the closer it games to the end game, the more precise the evaluation is, because it starts being more likely about calculating the actual territory, and the influences are reduced to minimum because it's mostly operating on the particular territory points that are either surrounded already or are about to be surrounded in the nearest future. Yeah, because most of the game I think has been decided already. Yeah, visually it seems really symmetric. You just have a look at the position. It's quite beautiful at some points. You have lower left, top left corner, like white territory, bottom right corner, black territory, and the same for other corners, but with a less amount of territory. In the center, there is the fight. There is the ongoing fight. Okay. White players should be careful in the end game because GnuGo may surprise in the end game. Yeah, although white plus 9.0, which at this point of the game should be really unbeatable unless some horrible tactical blunder occurs. Well, I personally think that white really deserves to win. Like the third queue versus the fifth queue should win. Definitely should win. Yeah, and you see, like this group, the black is now investing another stone into. Eventually got separated. Although, yeah, it has two eyes now, but yeah, potentially even three eyes. Yeah, but it got separated, or maybe not if black plays G11. Okay, so they stopped to play too fast, so that I'm not capable of following their moves. Okay. Yeah, now black. Connected. White plus 2.3. So somehow, white has managed to lose some points. Black plus 0.8. Oh my god. Oh my god, so thrilling here. And the ko at d10. Alright. Yeah, GnuGo now is like really precise in terms of calculating the territory. So it would be fighting for every single territory point. Every single point is going to be taken into account. Yeah. Black plus 0.8. Well, obviously the estimation of GnuGo is a little bit weird because with the Comi 5.5, how on earth do we have the something not 0.5 but point something else like 0.8? But again, GnuGo has some own specific with its strange evaluation. I don't know how it works exactly. And yeah, so we'll see what the pleasing woman's voice will tell us in regards to the result. Okay, black plus 1.6. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, unlikely play okay. Here you don't actually need to remove the dead stones. It gets done for you automatically, which is quite a good thing to have. Okay, hold on a sec. No way. Is black going to win those 5 stones? I think they do. Oh, whoa. That's the endgame masterpiece. That's the endgame masterpiece by GnuGo. Yeah, and that's the human factor by the human player. That's the human factor. I should probably just blunder. Or I don't know. I don't know. Interestingly, yeah. S10 captures the group. And then T11 captures the rest. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Black is winning the capturing race here. Amazing. But hold on a sec. White plus 9.5. Like, why on earth is that? Black plus 0.5. Oh my god. So close. This game is so close now. I bet human player does
Pass.
it. Okay, pass as well.
Remove the dead stones.
Okay, stop the script. Yeah, I accept. Yes.
You have won.
By half a point. Oh my goodness. What a fantastic game. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you so much for a game. Yeah. Thank you so much for a game. Yeah. Amazing. This was absolutely amazing. So, yeah, who could have won this? He really could have won this. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah. The guy's now probably analyzing the game, like where things did go wrong. Anyway. Well, okay, guys, yeah, I think. Thank you as well. Yeah. You should thank to GnuGo. Yeah, you should thank to GnuGo, man. Yeah. Well, okay, guys, so I think this is just good enough for this video. I hope you've enjoyed these amazing games played by GnuGo. So he won 3 out of 3, which is the result I'm really surprised of. Yeah, and the next video, we'll try to play at OGS onlinego.com using the patching engine.